Welcome to Module 1. Now, Module 1, we're going to continue to get set up. So I've got to show you some stuff here. If you have not watched this class orientation, make sure you go back to the course announcements right here on the front page and watch that. Okay? Do not continue until you've watched that. Okay, so starting here, we're in Module 1 now, after having watched the class orientation. Click on Module 1, which of course is what you did to get to this video. And here we are, Financial Planning and Budgeting. And yes, you clicked on this to get where you are now. So, what do you do now that you're here? Well, every module is set up pretty much just like this. Start at the top. I'll usually have a short video. This is going to be a little longer because I got to show you some stuff, but start at the top and work your way down. Okay? Read this, click on that, read it. Here's a really good video about 10 minutes long. Be sure you watch that. That's excellent. So, a little bit about balance sheet, income statement. Okay, now, this is the really important stuff. Watch this video here. It tells you a little bit about getting set up with your Revel, Pearson Revel. Okay, so watch that. It's just a couple of minutes, but just keep that in mind. Now, in this video right here, it's going to talk about your Pearson link, your link. Okay, that's this right here. Okay, that's this in this course. There it is. And it's going to tell you when you click on that link, this down here, we're not there yet. It's going to show you what to do to set up your account. If you already have a Pearson account, go ahead and log in. If you don't, set one up. Follow the instructions carefully. And this is part of the Box of Books program, so you're going to need a code. And even if you're not part of the Box of Books program, you're going to need a code. Okay, you'll just get billed later. Okay, so you're going to want to enter the code. Okay, so that's going to be this video here. Go ahead and watch it. Well, not now, but when we're done here, watch that. And then you're going to need to get your access code. Okay, you need that. So let me go in there and click on that, and let's see what we have in there. All right, you'll see this. Okay, and reveal access code. Click on that, and then it's going to reveal your access code right here where you see nothing. Okay, it won't let me. I suspect they think I'll just copy it and give it to everybody. But you'll see it there. So just go ahead and copy that. It says copy to clipboard. Okay, now you've got it. Now you've got it. Now go back. Go back to the previous page with your access code. All right, so you got it. You got your access code there. And now it's time to go into your Pearson Revel textbook. This is where much of your reading and much of your homework problems are there. There's a lot of stuff here as well. Class discussions are here in my Brightspace. And so anyway, okay, more about that later. Go ahead and click on this. Okay, that takes you in, open Pearson. Now, what you see the first time might be a little different. And that's I can't see exactly what you are going to see because I'm already in, I'm the instructor and all that. But just follow the instructions. It's going to take you through what that video took you through, where you set things up with an account and you enter the access code and all that. Okay, so here we are, and you may or may not have to do this step, but if you come to a page like this, go ahead and just click up here. And that takes you in. Here we are. Now I'm sorry to say my view might be a little different than your view. But what you do when you get in, you'll see the different chapters here of the book. Here we are, number 1, financial planning and budgeting. Click on that. All right, copyright. I know that's all fascinating. Dedication. If you want to read all that stuff, introduction. This is more of an introduction for instructors, more or less. Start here. Part 1, planning your finances. Okay, that takes you into the introduction. And why don't we just click on that? Okay, that was for me. Never mind. Start with Introduction to Financial Planning and Budgeting. Okay, open student view. Here we go. Again, try it again. This is what you will see. Very good. You'll come back, and this will offer to take you to where you left off. But since we're just getting started, click on here, Chapter 1. And like I said before, go down here to, well, I think right here, 1 point, Financial Planning Explained. Well, let's click on the introduction, see where that takes us. Some of this stuff is for okay, here we are. Yeah. So go here. I don't want to get you bogged down on all this copyright dedication and there. Okay, this 1, 2, 3, section 3, forget that. Okay, click there. Planning your finances. Here we go. And just read it. Okay, go through all that stuff. And one thing I would do is right here, hide the menu. Okay, so you can see this stuff. So just click on through here and scroll down. You'll see a video. There's a few videos in each chapter. And just click to the next page. Scroll down. Another video. Okay. Now, very important. In a few places in each chapter, you're going to run into, hopefully we'll run into one, the one's coming up here. Not quite yet. Well, let's see. Try it, okay? These questions are embedded into the chapter. And here we are. 3 tries. These are basically free points, but don't blow them off. They're embedded in the chapter. They're designed for you to read and read the chapter, of course. And sometimes students skip through this and miss these, but these count towards your grade. Okay, these, along with your homework questions at the end of the chapter, are 35% of your grade combined. Okay, so these are, just a few points here, but make sure you get them. And like I said, you got 3 tries, basically free points. So make sure you learn this stuff as you go along. So you're going to see a few of these as you go. Now I'm going to just hurry up and get through the chapter without scrolling down each page because I want to get to the end. This intro is already almost 10 minutes, and like I said, they'll never be this long. typically. Short and sweet. Okay, I'm getting to the end because I just want to show you the homework and the quizzes at the end. When you get to the end of the chapter, chapter summary. Okay, keep on going. And we see homework chapter 1. These are at the end of each chapter. And you just click on start to start. And notice, you get 3 tries with the homework. Okay? There's 10 questions or so, typically. And you answer one, you scroll through, and you get the next one, and so on and so forth. Okay? Easy enough. Now, after you're done with the homework, there's the homework questions right there. Go to the next page. And you see the quiz. Here's the quiz of chapter 1. Okay, this is the big dog. Think of these quizzes as exams. Now, this course doesn't have any formal exams. No midterm exam, not a final exam. Think of these quizzes as the exams. And for that, that's what they are. Now, these quizzes are half your grade. This is the big one. And you only get one shot. Okay? No more 3 tries, 1 shot. So by now, after you've gone through all those questions and in the chapter and then again in the homework and then in the chapter, the assumption is, okay, by now you know the stuff, and now you get 1 shot at it. Now, if you have to go back and reread a section, go ahead. That's okay. Go ahead. So you click start to start, and you just go through and do the quiz. Okay. All right. So that's how you get into the Revel textbook. You read the chapter and you go through it page by page, and you do the questions. Again, the chapter as in the syllabus. We went through the syllabus briefly in the orientation. Class discussions are 15% of your grade. I'll talk more about discussions in Module 2. In my little video intro, I'll talk about discussions in Module 2. Chapter questions and homework, 35% of your grade. Quizzes, 50% of your grade. Again, think of these quizzes. Think of them as exams, because that's what they are. Really, they're the exams for the course. Okay, well, that's it for Module 1. Hopefully that helps you get set up. If you have trouble, get in touch with me. I tell you how to get in touch with me in the orientation. All right, that is it for Module 1. Good luck, and I'll see you with another recording at the top of Module 2.